How to activate Way2go card online. Access the website www.goprogram.com. Click the Register Your Account button. Enter your Way2go card number and the CVV card number on the back of the card. Enter your date of birth and unique ID, which is Participant ID. If the Participant ID includes leading zeros, those should be included. Create username and password and complete account setup process. You will be prompted through various screens to set up your account. Select a security image to be used as authentication for future logins. Select notification preferences after creating security profile. Once you set up your profile, you will be forced to log out. Registration does not activate the card. Activation requires you to log in to PIN the card. Log into the website using your new profile. Then, click the Services option to expand the list and select the PIN Management option. Select the radial for Activate PIN, which will activate the card and allow you to begin using the Way2go card. Thanks for watching.